Eight Treasure Sticky Rice is one of the most symbolic festival cuisine and wow generator on Lunar New Year dinner tables. It's sweet, soft, glutinous, and aromatic. If cooked by the old-fashioned way, it needs 2 hours on steam. Today, I will show you how to get it done in 40 minutes. First tip, pre-soak the hard-to-cook through glutinous rice and raw peanuts. Try to get this short and round type. It's more glutinous for containing more starch than the long and thin ones. Rinse rice and peanuts several times to wash off the dust. Soak in fridge for 6 hours or ideally overnight. These toppings are packed with nutrition, suggesting abundance and good fortune in the coming year. It's totally fine to choose whatever toppings to your own like. Second tip, before filling in, hard cooking helps to shorten the following steam cooking time. Boil our pre-soaked rice and peanuts in cool water for 7 minutes sharp. Strain out before the rice breaks apart in the water, which will release too much starch, causing the final dish not sticky enough to glue everything together. Coming to the treasures. Scissor several pitted red dates or measure dates into quarters. I couldn't find lotus seeds, so I'm using macadamia. Half them. Rinse off the dust on goji berries and raisins. Get a deep ball. Grease the ball with softened butter or coconut oil. Lard is most authentic, but I prefer the buttery taste. Greasing helps to demold easily later on, aka removing the ball from the rice. Time to get creative. You could simply mix everything together or just sprinkle the toppings on the bottom of your bowl and throw into the steamer. But I am going to create an oriental style for the New Year Eve dinner. Feel free to invent your own pattern. Kids would love this step. I did. With butter's help, our topping sticks to the wall nicely. Apply some rice peanuts mixture and spread evenly to the bottom of our bowl. Gently press down a little to protect your work from moving. Check from below if you can to make sure there's no empty space left to avoid embarrassing collapse after flipping over. Customizing the layer design based on the depth of your bowl. Mine should make a 3-story. Sprinkle a thin layer of sugar, take care of every corner. I'm using palm sugar here. Brown sugar will also do. They provide a caramel flavor than white sugar, with less sweetness and a dramatic color. Repeat the previous steps with a layer of rice, a layer of treasures, then a layer of sugar. Dig a shallow well in the center and fill in a spontaneous tablespoon of sweet red bean paste. Successfully upgrade to the 9 treasures. Seal all the good stuff with the last layer of rice. Add a little water to level with the rice. I'd like to top with a knob of butter. Let it melt into the rice, more aromatic. Boil a pot of water. Steam comes up, pop into the steamer carefully. Steam for 40 minutes. During this time, you could clean up the mess in the kitchen or make another one with the remaining ingredients. Trust me, one is just not enough. Get our 9 treasures out. Let's move into the fun part, the flipping over. Lay a plate on top of the bowl and quickly flip over before it realizes it's upside down. Maybe it's too hot to handle. Let it chill a little bit. Look at this perfect pattern, the crystal-like presentation. Here comes the exciting moment. Here we go. I just made an Instagram-ready scene, didn't I? This 3-layered 9 treasure rice in perfection. Everyone is firmly holding onto each other. Full of buttery aroma and a slight scent of palm sugar. Our glutinous rice is thoroughly cooked, soft and gooey, wrapping 9 treasures of different textures. Every bite with raisin or red dates is a win. And you will expect what's in the next scoop. Rice, topping, and fillings are well balanced, with just the right sweetness. The additional one is ready too. a lovely casually mixed version made with granulated sugar. To me, eating aged treasure rice feels like going back to my granny's. Hey Pac-Man, go get it!